Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, June 9th. I'm going to let you guys know what we had. Um, very quickly, we had a power play in crude, 50.47. That one worked out for up to 20 pennies. Power play, that was right at the open. Then we had an understanding trade, but because we were against a big trend, crude's down like 2%. I told everybody better to wait for a pullback. Um, if you don't want to wait for the pullback, you get long at 86, you add at 66, and then we were able to get out here at break even. Those who got long where we added would have made up to 6, 7, 8 ticks on the trade, and made a little money there. And that was what we had in crude. Two winners or one winner and a break even. And then in gold, we had a beautiful pre-market trade S play 62.3, 62.4. And that one went up. We added up at 65.7, and this was my target up here at circle. We actually had another target up higher, but nobody was in the trade. When I found out everybody was out, I mean, the thing went, from 62, to almost 50 ticks. So nobody was in the trade still. Tried to get us back in the trade, but we were screwing around the ES here because I wanted to get some people some ES trades, and would have been better to take the the secondary RS in or secondary S play in gold, but we did not get back into that, and that went up to our target of 72. Or 70, right all up here was our target, but again I didn't mark it because we weren't in, but that was up to a 50 tick trade plus a 20 tick add-on for those who wanted it. Then in the ES we had all kinds of crap going on here. We got short at 850 here. I told everybody, since it's the market on open trade, um, wait for the pullback. Obviously only one contract traders if you can't add for this particular setup. They had to wait, so some people got short at 850, added at 1050, got out at break even. Others got short at 1050 and they were able to make about a point, up to a couple points, but if they only had one contract, probably a point. Then we had the news, tried it again, told everybody, look, let's get short, let's see what happens. Actually, I told them to wait for 8.25 this time. Some people got in at 852, which was fine. Um, and when it came up here to add at the 1050, we added a 1050. Came up here to the 1250. I told everybody we've actually got another short signal, which is a ZL. We're against the trend. Do you want to let yourself get stopped out for a couple ticks? Let's see what happens and see if this thing can keep moving down. Those who respected their stop, it would have been a stop on that. But again, this was news, so it would have been a very small position, a third of a position or half a position max, or they couldn't take the trade. And then again, some people held it. In fact, I said you could have even added again there because it was another entry if you really wanted to, but I don't know, only a couple people did that. But anyway, it came down. We didn't hurt ourselves too bad on that. Those who took the ZL as an entry, who were not in, made money there. That was a good trade. And then we got short on the understanding trade again at 850, and again it made about a point. That was about it. Point and a half. We had to sit in it for a while. They've been trying to break this level all morning. I told everybody when we first came in it was probably going to take a while. Didn't realize it was going to take that long. You'll see here now they're trying to take care of business now and go lower now. We'll see if they can do that. We're looking for 250 below, if it gets down in here. But it's lunchtime now, so just no movement. If you look at the ES chart, nothing. I mean, dead all morning. A little bit of movement here because of the reports and stuff. Nothing to write home about. And that's what we had. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a great